So Jeff, you just delivered a Codex talk. What do you think of the Codex talks format?
It's excellent. You guys have assembled an amazing group of people, and I'm really grateful to be a part of it. Loved it. The diversity of technologies that are going to change multiple industries, from robotics to artificial intelligence to the little machines that make life possible that I work on, is really inspiring.
Well, it's a fantastic format because it requires you to really focus on the most important thing, first of all. I had to think through quite carefully what were the arguments, how can I put them succinctly.
I think it's fantastic the way that it interleaves and mixes together different innovation topics. I often find that innovation is really about the boundaries of different areas and different domains, and having a few of those brought together in this curated way really allows us to push what's really out there in the future.
So the event, I think, has been a success. Most people that I've been interacting with and talking to, they really appreciate the opportunity to come here to speak, share ideas, but then also the questions that we received back from the audience were just really thought-provoking, and I thought really well put.
It felt like people really had a very diverse set of interests and came from all over the world, and really interested in seeing kind of how edge technologies are changing the way we look at the biggest problems that we face as human beings.
It's been really fantastic to be in one place with so many different innovators. And during break, we can talk about different areas that we're innovating and getting to learn so much about not just areas that I'm interested, but some areas that I never thought I would be interested in. So it's been a wonderful experience.
Yaniv, you're one of the few people who's actually delivered 2 Codex talks. What did you think of it this time around?
Just beautiful, right? Like the ability that kind of like to crystallize, that you kind of like force us to ask a specific question, to crystallize our message for the audience, and that you have kind of like a diverse audience, that you need to speak to all of them. It's just beautiful. Really enjoy that.
And what do you think of the event this year overall?
Yeah, I think it's just like surprising how you have like people coming from different kind of like fields, and there is a common thread that you can see in biology, for instance, how everyone is thinking about biology as programming now, and like a lot of like interest of how we can apply this kind of like what we learn in computer science to biological problems. It's just like super interesting for me.
I think it's really exciting to get to talk about an important subject, something that we want a platform to talk about, get to make some bold statements about work in our industry and bold predictions for the future, and also get to see a variety of different topics, and innovations from just the leaders in their industries.
The team at Codex has been fantastic to work with this week. The innovations across the board have just been knock your socks off good. So on behalf of the whole team in Canada, the UK and the States, a big thank you to Codex for acknowledging the innovation.